In space operations, speed is survival, and today, space domain awareness is drowning in data, but starving for insight. Space domain awareness is a data problem. Let's talk about why we need a transformation from reactive to predictive operations. Traditional architectures were built for terabytes, maybe hundreds of terabytes, not hundreds of petabytes. When ingest is limited, fusion is partial, and processing takes hours, sometimes days. Operations become reactive. We detect, we analyze, we respond after the fact. And in space, after the fact isn't exactly ideal. It's a gap that could mean everything, but that's where the shift begins. Now imagine scaling from 100 terabytes to 100 petabytes. That's not an upgrade, that's a transformation. The architecture must change. The mission tempo must change. The mindset must change. We need a new kind of engine. We need a system that can handle the sheer volume of the Indo-Pacific domain. This is where Ocient changes the equation. Ocient enables near real-time analytics at multi-petabyte scale. Not batch processing, not delayed insight, but continuous hyperscale intelligence. It is the mission-ready engine that space operations has been waiting for. With Ocient, MSSC, and Space Force systems move from TB-scale ingest to multi-petabyte ingest. From limited electro-optical fusion to full EO, RF, and cyber domain integration. From hours of latency to near real-time synthesis across 100 petabytes. This is the shift from reactive processing to predictive hyperscale operations. This is the Ocient advantage. When you can query 100 petabytes instantly, you don't just detect maneuvers, you predict them. You don't just track conjunctions, you model risk continuously. Automated anomaly detection is no longer a goal, it's a reality. You don't just catalog objects, you understand behavior over time. It's the difference between watching the chessboard and thinking 3 moves ahead. Because in space, 3 moves ahead is where you win the mission. Ocient enables SDA deliverables to scale by orders of magnitude, more accurate catalogs, faster threat detection, lower decision latency. What once required days now happens in seconds, unified visualization across all domains. And when multiplied across Space Operations Command and national agencies, that impact compounds. Decision superiority is achieved. Hyperscale efficiency means fewer fragmented systems, lower total cost of ownership, reduced hardware footprint. Analysts spend less time wrangling data and more time making decisions, efficiency that scales. In a contested domain, the advantage belongs to the force that sees first, understands first, and acts first. From terabytes to petabytes, from detection to prediction, this is hyperscale space domain awareness. This is Ocient.